ILC Dover is the global leader in high-containment systems for handling potent pharmaceutical ingredients. Since 1997, we've pioneered single-use isolator technology that lowers capital and operating costs while delivering proven containment performance. Designed for highly potent APIs, including the most powerful toxin linkers, our systems consistently achieve below 1 nanogram containment levels verified through ISPE SMEPAC testing and SafeBridge analysis. With no cleaning or filter changes required, the fully disposable design prevents cross-contamination and allows safe disposal and faster changeover, getting production running again in as little as 30 minutes. Each isolator system arrives as a complete kit with every single-use part controlled under one part number for easy ordering. The kit includes everything needed for setup: filters, base plates, and documentation such as certifications of compliance and filter validation records, ensuring confidence before the first batch begins. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the system can be positioned wherever it's needed, unlike rigid isolators that require fixed installation. Assembly is quick and intuitive, so operators can have a system ready for use with minimal downtime. Once assembled, the isolator provides a two-chamber design with gas-tight zippers, integrated bag-in and bag-out ports, liquid transfer capabilities through aseptic connectors or tri-clamps, and clear visibility and access from all sides. ILC Dover isolators are designed for flexibility. Future process changes or operator-requested improvements can be implemented simply by updating the next batch of consumables. This keeps production moving without taking systems offline for costly modifications, a major advantage over rigid stainless steel isolators. The Atmospheric Control Module, or ACM, brings the system to life. Operators log in through a secure HMI interface with multiple security levels, fully compliant with 21 CFR Part 11. Built-in pressure decay testing verifies system integrity before every run, giving teams confidence that containment will be maintained. Once testing is complete, the ACM maintains precise negative pressure for safe, steady-state operation. For processes that require an inert atmosphere, the isolator can be purged with nitrogen to reach oxygen levels below 3%, monitored by an integrated sensor. Optional humidity monitoring can be included for even greater process control. Explosion-proof models are also available for all hazardous classifications. With the system running, the isolator is ready for precise weighing and dispensing of even the most potent compounds. Materials can be weighed, transferred, and mixed directly inside the isolator, utilizing a magnetic stir below the workspace rather than inside it, keeping surface area open and eliminating another component that would require cleaning. ArmorFlex 113 film delivers exceptional durability, solvent resistance, and static dissipation to protect both operators and product. The Sentinel Clear XT powered air purifying respirator further enhances safety and comfort, offering operators a clear view, lightweight, and extended battery life for long processes. Together, the isolator and the Sentinel Clear provide industry-leading protection without sacrificing ergonomics or productivity. Once the compound is prepared, the solution can be safely transferred out using integrated tubing and a peristaltic pump or through the secure bag-out sleeve. The sleeve's gas-tight zipper cover and crimping process provide redundant layers of safety, protecting operators and the environment during transfer. The new eCrimp battery-powered tool provides a safe, efficient way to bag out materials from the isolator. It automates the seal and separate process using crimping technology developed by ILC Dover, a proven innovation that ensures reliable performance while reducing operator strain. Pass-through chambers allow materials to be brought back in safely when needed, with multiple safeguards in place to minimize risk. At the end of the process, the isolator can be safely removed and disposed of, while the ACM maintains negative pressure throughout the teardown. From system design to installation support, training, and ongoing supply of consumables, ILC Dover partners with customers every step of the way. The result is a faster, safer, more cost-effective containment solution with no cleaning or cross-contamination risks, ready to meet the demands of today's most potent pharmaceutical processes. ILC Dover, the global leader in high-containment systems for handling potent pharmaceutical ingredients. Contact us today.